Okay, Karida, so today 12B I'm going to start and I'll try to complete it because I don't know whether I'll be able to reach Saturday or not, but don't worry, you won't have any problem. I'll try my best to complete everything as much as possible. Okay, so any doubt you keep on sending me. I'll try to take classes any day, whatever day I'll get time. Every day if I get time I'll do every day also. You don't have to worry. Okay, you just need to do is you practice all the questions and try to revise it properly. Okay, all the chapters, from all the chapters. D- don't be confused, okay, that if I'm present there or not. Even through this, okay, I'll be helping you out with all the questions. In any question you have doubt, you just ask me. Okay, so now if the first question is, see, if you check it here, you just read the question. Now here too you have to find the area of the sector. Okay, first of all, to find the area of the sector, you have to know the formula. Area of sector formula is pi r square theta by 360. Okay, area of sector. So in this question, your radius is given, your angle at the center is given to be 30 degree. Okay, so this is nothing very simple. You just have to put the value pi, you can write 22 by 7. Okay, 7 you can write it with see, down you can write it 7. Okay, 22 by 7 with 360. Don't be confused, don't write like this, you might get confused. 22 by 7, then again 360 here. You can write it directly like 22 by 7 into r is your 8 into 8, theta is your 30 by 360. Just cancel it, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, and area means it will be in centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. So this is question number 1. Now 2, if you check for question number 2. In question number 2, what we have is radius is given, right angle at the center. Right angle means 90 degree. Your theta is given. Now area of the minor sector. Remember, minor sector and major sector. Let me explain you. Now if I talk about the sector, sector is in this form. Okay, this is like a piece of cake. If I say this part is the sector. Okay, remember this. If I draw it like this, a chord, if I draw it, if I draw sometime a chord, is the segment and sector, there is very big difference. Okay, remember, if I talk about a sector, I'm talking about this whole thing. Okay, this whole part I'm talking it about. Okay, this whole part. So in this, my theta is given to be 90 degree. Okay, this is my 90 degree. My radius is given to be 14. Okay, I don't need this length of the chord. So remember, sector means this whole thing. Okay, whole thing. So this is minor sector, this is your major sector. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, again let me say you, this is your minor sector, this is your minor, and this is your major sector. Okay, so how to find it out, I'll let you know. So minor sector, only this portion I have to find it out. So this is like a sector only. Area of minor sector is the sector only, so you have to use the formula pi r square theta by 360. Just put the value, you will come to get the answer. Okay, still if any confusion, if you don't get answer, you just let me know. Okay, I'll solve it for you. Now after that, next question is, yeah, radius is given to be 14 in the question number 2. Okay, angle is given to be 60. Now in this you have to find minor sector. So minor sector, you understand that this is my minor sector, I have to find it out. Okay, minor sector, so pi r square theta by 360, you will come to get the answer. Okay, now one more thing is given, area. You have to find here major sector also, you have to find, right? Area of the major sector, check it. Yeah, area of the major sector also you have to find it out. So one thing, see, this is a circle, right? And this is a sector, this is minor sector. Now what I have to do is, I have to find the major sector. So major sector is what, isn't it? From the circle I'll subtract the minor one, isn't it? I'll get this portion. So area of major sector is what? Area of circle minus area of sector. Okay, that minor sector or sector, you say it. So my area of minor sector, already I got it. From here you'll get the value. Okay, you just take out the value, final value, you take it out. Don't do like chapter 13 at last taking common. You can do it directly also. Okay, but you take it out, or if you see you can take common, you do it common also. Now we know that area, to find the area of this major sector, what you have to do, area of circle, we have to find it out. So here, that's why I'm finding it out, area of circle. Area of circle, I'll come to get something here. Okay, so next will be here will be your area of minor sector is equal to what? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay, area of major means, I got it again, I'm saying it to you. Okay, major means this portion. So from the circle I'll subtract the minor, I'll come to get. So area of circle is what? I've just leave it here, you can take common also. Pi r square, right? Area of circle is what? Pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So from here you take common, whatever common you can take. So accordingly, if you want to take 22 by 7 into 14, you can take common this, because these things are present out here. 22 by 7 is present, so from here only 1 is left. This is taken common, so here you'll get 1 by 6, something like that. So you'll come to get the answer after that. Okay, so you solve it and check it what you are getting. Okay, next question is question number 3. Again, question number 3, arc length. This is arc length. Okay, arc length formula is what? Pi r theta by 180. This is my formula. Arc length formula is pi r theta by 180, you remember. So in this question, your arc length is given to be 5 pi by 3, radius is given to be 5. We know that arc length is equal to pi r theta by 180. Now arc length is given to be 5 pi by 3, so I have just put it 5 pi by 3. Don't put 22 by 7, because here, even here in the what, arc length is given to be 5 pi. So pi you can cancel it out, and after cancelling you will come to get 60. Okay, you just solve it. Again, second question number 4 is again same thing. Arc length is given, this one, theta is given. Here you have to find the radius. So arc length is equal to pi r theta by 180. So again, what you do, you put the value, arc length 20 pi, so pi you cancel it. Radius is not given, so you find out the radius, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, so I hope you're getting it here, what I'm doing. So next number is question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Again, angle. Your angle is given to be 45. Now radius, now if I talk about the radius, this is like this, something arc length I'm taking. So the diagram you can draw it. This arc length I'll represent by L here, AB, and your OA and OAB is given. Now if I extend this one, this will look like circle. Okay, I'm just taking a portion here. Okay, I'm not drawing everything. So you have to find the perimeter of the sector. Okay, perimeter of the sector, isn't it? This is my sector, so perimeter. Now one thing you know, that this is the radius of the circle. If this is 7, even this is 7, so you know these two portion you already know, but this portion you don't know, so you have to find it out by using arc length formula. Okay, so one thing is given, theta is given to you, radius is given to you. So arc length AB, this is AB, equal to pi r theta by 180, you'll come to get 5.5. okay, so perimeter of the sector will be what? Perimeter 7 plus arc length, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, here I've written it. Perimeter of the sector OAB, OA plus, here you can check it, OA plus OB plus AB. Okay, arc length AB, so you'll come to get 19.5. okay, this is not a hard, just simple calculation. Okay, now question number 6. I'm just going fast, because if I make long videos, it will be very difficult for me to send it to you. Okay, now in question number 6, the radius of circle is given to be 4. OA equal to OB equal to 4, because OA, if this is the radius, even this is the radius. Okay, and one more thing is given, the length of the chord is given to be 4, if even this is given to be 4. Now one thing you know, that in a triangle, if all the sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. So if it is an equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle we know that all the angles are 60 degree, right? So this is the thing what I have written it, you'll understand very easily. The length of the chord is given to 4, since all the sides are equal of triangle, this one, therefore it is an equilateral triangle, so theta is equal to 60 degree, since angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree each. So if I talk about segment, see, this is a different thing. See, now we are talking about segment. Now remember, this is my segment portion. Okay, not sector, we are not talking about sector. This is my, if I draw a diagram, remember this is my minor segment, this is my major segment. Okay, not sector. Sector is of this kind. Okay, student get confused with the sector and segment. So segment, you remember, this is your minor, this is your major. So in this we have to find the minor. So minor means this one, so this portion. Now we know that this is the total diagram. So isn't it from the sector, if I subtract this triangle, isn't it, I'll get this portion. From this sector, if I subtract this triangle, I'll come to get this one. So this is the thing what I'm doing it here. So area of the sector OAB, area of sector OAB, okay, minus area of triangle OAB, area of triangle OAB. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we know that, so formula for area of equilateral triangle will be what? 3 by 4 side square, and area of sector is what? Pi r square theta by 360. So after putting the value, you take out common and you'll get the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Don't get confused with sector and segment. Again, I'm saying it, sector is your this portion, okay, minor sector, major sector. Segment is your this minor segment, major segment. Okay, so I hope it is clear here. So what you do, you try to solve it out and try to get the answer. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7 is again same thing here. Little difference is there, only little. Length of the chord is given to be AB equal to 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle 5 root 2. Okay, now one thing is, you can see it here, that your theta is not given. So what we can do in triangle, this one, by using Pythagoras condition we can prove. Means we know that if OA square plus OB square equal to, if we can prove that AB square, means it is a Pythagoras theorem. Means this part, suppose this part I'm getting 5 answer, even this part if I'm getting 5, means both are equal. If both are equal, means that theta will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, why 90 degree? Because it is following Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now directly I have taken in triangle AOB, OA plus OB equal to AB. Now here, after putting the value, I come to get here what, for this portion what I'm getting, for this portion I'm getting 10. Okay, and even one thing I know here is AB is also equal to 10. Okay, since OA square equal to OB square equal to AB square, therefore it follows Pythagoras theorem. Therefore angle AOB means this angle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, now after this, area of minor segment, minor means this one. Okay, so minor means this portion I am talking about. So according to this portion, so isn't it minor will be what, area of sector minus area of minor segment will be equal to what, area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector minus area of triangle, area of sector is this, and area, since it is not an equilateral triangle, so area of triangle is what. Okay, so after this, area of sector minus area of triangle, you'll come to get, so area of triangle is half base into height, you'll apply, you'll come to get minor segment. Then major segment, to find the major segment, as I told you, the major segment is what, this is the minor. So major is this one, area of circle minus area of minor, you'll come to get this answer. Okay, so the minor segment, you'll come to get values from here. Okay, whatever answer is here, you'll put it here, minus whatever, and this pi r square, you'll put the value, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, so just do the calculation, you'll come to get the answer. Now next is question number 8. Question number 8 is AB is the chord of the circle, that is given in the question. Radius is given to be 14, angle at the center is 60 degree. Okay, now area of minor segment, you have to find it out. So area of minor segment is which one, this one, area of minor segment is this one. So how can we find this portion? To find this, we know that area of sector minus area of this triangle will come to get this answer. So area of sector is what, pi r square theta by 360 minus area of triangle AOB. AOB is what, half base into height, base into height. So base is your 14, even height is your 14. You put the value and try to check it, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, next is your this one. Okay, this question is again very important, very important. It has come, okay, many times it has come. Minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. Okay, minute hand, we know that in a clock it's the bigger one, right? So the bigger one, isn't it that that looks like the radius of the circle, radius of the clock. So radius means that is your radius equal to 7 centimeter. We know that angle described in 60 minute, in 60 minute the angle is 360 degree. Means 60 minute means what, it will go one full rotation, means 360 degree. So angle described in 1 minute will be what, 360, the 60 will go down, so it will come to be how much, 6 degree. So in 1 minute we have this much. According to this question, we have 35 minutes, means it's written that 9 AM to 9:35. So isn't it the angle is 35 minute, means the time is 35 minutes. So in 1 minute we know it's 6, so in 35 minutes we'll come to get 6 into 35, will come to get 210. So this is the angle described in 35 minutes. The angle means the theta is equal to 210. So theta we got 210, radius we have it. So isn't it, this looks like the sector, looks like the sector of the circle. So this is the sector, you know that radius you already know, the angle you already know, 210. So what you have to find, area of the phase of the clock by the minute hand between 9 AM to 9:35 AM is equal to the area of the sector. Means that is like area of the sector only. Okay, so area of sector is what, pi r square theta by 360. You put the values, you'll come to get the answer. Okay, have a check, any doubt you just let me know, and I'll try to cover up by tomorrow or the after tomorrow. I'll try to finish it off, this all the questions from this exercises. You just have a check. If any doubt in any question, you just let me know. Okay, so okay, see you in next video.